Alright, so welcome back sa ating tutorial, PHP for Beginners. So, on this segment, guys, magdi-delete tayo ng data from the database here sa ating HTML templates. So, hindi sa database tayo mag-delete manually. Okay, so let's add a button here, delete button. Once we click the button, delete, then the data from the database will be deleted and it will be omitted here on our HTML templates. So, yan yung gagawin natin ngayon sa tutorial na ito. Okay, so magdi-delete tayo ng data from the database. Okay, so let's go to the codes. Okay, so punta tayo sa index. So, this is our design. So, ito yon. So, dito tayo gagawa ng codes para sa deleting natin. Okay? So, mag-a-add tayo dito sa ating table header. Yan. Copy natin to. Copy. And, let's say for example, action. And then, mag-a-add tayo dito ng another table header sa ibaba para sa ating button. Okay? So, ayan. Save natin. So, let's say for example, guys, ito yung ating button. Type tayo ng button. Yan. Delete. Yan. Save natin. Tingnan natin doon sa ating browser. So, we have a button here, delete. So, when we click the button delete, so the data or the data from the database, exactly this data on our HTML template will be deleted permanently. Okay? So, balik tayo dito. And, gagawa tayo ng another file, delete. So, right-click, file, delete, .php. So, ang functionality or yung ang function ng codes ng delete na ito is to delete data from the database. Okay? So, first, since we are dealing with our database, gagamit tayo ng ating database connection. So, include lang natin to. Oops. PHP. So, include natin yung database connection natin. Config / yan, config at saka yung name ng file which is the db _connect.php. Yan. Close natin. So, this is our database connection. And then, if mag-delete tayo guys ng data from the database, we will be using an ID. Ito yung magiging basihan natin. Punta muna tayo sa database. Yan, flower shop. So, ito yung magiging basihan natin para magdi-delete tayo ng data or certain rows dito sa database ID. Because, if we are going to delete all from the flower or the certain table, it will delete all the data here inside the table. Because you are not specifying what is the data that is being to be deleted. So, magsiset tayo ng ID para yun yung data na i-delete niya. Okay? So, balik tayo dito sa codes. Maglalagay muna tayo ng variable delete is equals to the SQL statement which is delete. So, ito yung SQL statement that that states that, okay, so we are going to delete something from the flower. So this is the name of our table, flower. And then, gagamit tayo ng where mamaya. Okay? So if ito lang yung SQL statement na gagamitin niya, it will delete all the data from the database because hindi tayo nag-specify kung anong rows lang ang i-delete niya. Okay? So, if MySQLi query, so query natin, and then we will be passing in here the database connection. So, and then our variable delete, which has an SQL statement to be deleted something. Okay? So, yan yon. At saka naglalagay tayo ng codes. What will happen if once the statement is true, so, of course, babalik siya. I-delete niya yung data at saka babalik siya sa ating page. So, header, location. So, location is babalik siya sa, let's say, for example, index.php. So, ayan. Close. Oops, hindi tayo nakapag-close. Yan. Okay? So, else. So, palagi tayong maglalagay ng else kasi yun yung i-echo niya yung error. If there is an error, para at least may guide tayo, guys. If hindi magdi-delete yung data, bibigyan niya tayo ng errors kung bakit hindi na-delete yung data. Okay, so echo query error or delete error. Delete error, and let's concatenate this and MySQLi error. Yan. So that i-display niya yung error natin. So we will be passing in here the connection at saka yung delete. So yan, save natin. So balik tayo dito sa index, guys. So when we click the button delete, so magdi-delete siya ng data from the database. Okay? So balik tayo dito sa ating codes, index. Okay, so button, bibigyan natin ito ng design dahil medyo pangit yung design. Okay, class ng button. Bigay natin ng class. So, button. Button is danger kasi magiging red yan. Button. Tas danger. At saka yung button is the button is large. Yan. Danger. Correct. Save muna natin para tingnan natin kung ano yung design. And yan. At least maganda na. Okay. Balik tayo sa codes. Page 6 muna natin to. Masyadong malaki yung button natin. Okay na yan. Let's continue. Alright. So, guys, once we click the button delete, then pupunta siya sa ating delete file to execute the delete function or delete codes, di ba? So gagawa tayo dito ng link para pagpunta niya doon, kukunin niya yung ID, get the ID, which is kung ano mang yung ID ng yon ng isang rows, kukunin niya at saka yun yung i-delete niya. Okay? So gagamit tayo ng link. So href. Okay, guys, dito sa loob, for example, delete, punta siya sa delete.php. So since this is an example of getting the value of the variable, guys. So, ito lang gagamitin natin. Okay? So, delete.php. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng PHP sa loob after ng statement. We have PHP dyan, closing, at saka i-echo natin yung question mark. Okay? Echo the question mark because when we get the value or we are going to request the ID, we are going to use the question mark, meaning mayroon kang kukunin or get something from the ID. So, ID, ito yung name sa database, is equal to string, ilalagay natin itong string as a string, is equal to concatenate natin yung idurugtong natin yung ID. Okay? So, copy natin tong ito, flower, na variable, paste natin dyan, at saka associative array, yung ID natin sa database. ID. Yan. Close natin to. Okay. So far, yan. Save natin. Oops. Tingnan natin yung error natin. Baka may hindi tayo. Okay. ID. Okay. So, dapat nasa loob yung ito yung ilalagay natin. Space, concatenate. So, ayan. So, again guys, gumawa tayo ng ahref. Ito, link. When we click the button, delete, pupunta siya sa file, dala yung ID. So, paano natin dinala yung ID? So, in-echo natin dito sa ating PHP. So, question mark, ID is equal to, so, this is a string. Again, this is a string. Then, we concatenate. Idinugtong natin yung ID. Kung ano man yung ID na kinuha niya dito. Sa specified na value natin dito. At saka, idugtong niya yung ID dito sa ID. So, magiging ID is equals to 1. So, yun yung ating ID. So, close lang natin itong ahref sa loob ng button. Oh, yan. Dito natin ilalagay yung A. Papasok natin yan. Okay. At saka refresh natin yung page. Okay. So, when we click the button, delete. Oops. Yup. And we are going to refresh the data here and browse, and yun na guys, na-delete yung data natin lahat-lahat because dito sa delete function natin wala tayong specification kung anong i-delete niya. So ibig sabihin dinelete niya lahat ng file. Okay? So gagawa tayo dito ng ID. Okay? So, let's say for example, ID is equal to get request. So, $, and then get the ID from the ID. Ito. Oops. So, saan natin to kinuha tong ID? Dito sa index. Ito yung ID na ginamit natin. So, get niya yung ID na nandito. Dadalhin niya dito sa delete function. So, magiging, okay, so may ID ka. So, gagamit tayo dito ng where. Oops. Condition. Ito yung condition natin. Where ID, ito yung table row natin, ID from the database is equal to the value of this ID. Okay, where ID is equals to this variable. So, once the statement is true, so ganito yan, delete from flower where ID is equal to ID, then yun yung i-delete niya. Hindi niya i-delete yung the whole data from the database. Okay? So, save natin. At saka punta tayo sa database, mag-i-insert muna tayo ng data. Since na-delete ang data, lahat-lahat. Na-delete yung data ng i-delete natin yung function. O i-delete natin yung data. Punta tayo dito, flower. At saka mag-i-insert tayo. Insert. So, let's say for example, daisy, flower, flowering plants. Yan. Save. So, insert muna tayo ng isa pang file. Rose, flower. Yan. Go. Isa pa. Gagawa tayo ng 3. Orchid. Yan. So, browse natin. Tingnan natin yung data. So, we had 3 data from the database. The IDs are 6, 7, 8, and these are daisy, rose, and orchid. So, refresh natin dito. Of course, meron tayong data dito. So, if we are going to delete or we are going to click the function or we are going to click the button delete, i-delete niya yung data. Kukunin niya yung ID ng, for example, rose, i-delete natin. Kukunin niya yung ID ng 7 at saka yun yung i-delete niya. Like, for example, itong rose. Okay, so delete natin yung rose. So, yan. Na-delete yung data from the database. So, if we're going to look the data from the database, wala na. Okay, so papaliwanag ko lang yung codes. So, ito. So, gumawa tayo ng button first. So, ito yung button. At pagkatapos, gumawa tayo ng link para once we click that button, pupunta siya sa link na delete.php. So, yung file na delete.php, nandun yung codes natin to delete something. Okay, so ito yung delete all from flower where ID is equals to ID. So, kinuha niya yung ID from the dito. So, nandito yon. So, ahref delete.php. So, before ako nag-close ng double quotation or double quote, ipinasok ko muna yung PHP statement. So, PHP, echo, this is a string, purely a string, because ito yung magtatawag tayo ng ID, get request ID is equals to this ID. Yan. Save natin. So, yan yung paano ka mag-delete ng data from the database. Okay.